Hi everyone, how are you? Today we are going to be doing Amazon haul unboxing. Okay, so let's just get right to it. This one's already open because I got some other stuff that you guys didn't need to see out of it. But here we go, angel wings. Now, this is not what I wanted. I thought it'd have the indentations of the snake and all of that stuff on it, but it doesn't. So I guess that's what I get for spending a couple of bucks on Amazon, because you can see it's plain. There's no, I thought it would have the snake indentations and that stuff in it, but it doesn't. So that's a waste. And then this is what I've been waiting for that took forever to get here. This is Cup Turner. So I can start making tumblers for you guys. I want to make sublimation tumblers, and I want to do glittery tumblers, veteran inspired tumblers, nurse inspired tumblers, and then just me and Eeyore inspired tumblers. So this is the turner, so I can make the tumblers. So we got to figure out, I got to clean off the table in my craft room to figure out where it's going to go. But I liked this tumbler because it comes with a toolkit. Yay. It comes with 2 stands to put them on for when they're ready to dry. It comes with plenty of cups that are already stuck together. And it comes with, I believe this is probably the motor. It's a little assembly required, it looks like. Yep, this is the motor and the arm to put the tumbler, put it on. Comes with glitter. Gotta love glitter. Never have too much glitter, right guys? It comes with a heat tool, which I liked. I forgot that it came with a heat tool. I was gonna buy a heat tool. My bad. Ooh, and it's a pretty pink heat tool. So we will utilize that. And it comes with the 2 different size foam rollers for larger and smaller. Okay, let's put this bad boy together. Okay. And it looks like it's a fairly easy process. This fits right into there. This looks like it fits right into there. And I got to measure these and find out what size they are, because I bought a thing for pins too. So alrighty, there we go. There's the tumbling arm. Yay! There we go. And we won't plug it in or anything like that. Let's see what's in our cool toolbox. Okay, we got stirring sticks. Ooh, we got resin sticks. I even bought more of these because I don't know how good they clean up. Ooh, we got some, ooh, these are good gloves, if that's what this is. Or is this just a silicone mat? Ooh, it's a silicone mat that we can put underneath it. I like that. And we got a screwdriver. Oh, so we can, I put it in wrong because there's the screws, I guess, to screw in onto here, I'm assuming, I don't know, to attach them. Don't ask me. That's what it looks like. Yep, to attach wands, brushes, gloves. Okay, so well, let me see if we got, here's our screws and everything. So we got our screws and everything. So we can put this together. And it even came with a screwdriver to put it together with. That was a great idea. So thank you. LF Sum is what I think is who. We got regular plastic. I use like nitrite gloves anyway, so I will wait to put this together. That's gonna be fun figuring out how to stick. Well, I guess not. There you go. That's how you stick it. Stick it and stick it good. There we go. Yay! Okay, we got the larger tumbler thing going. Okay, we will put some of this back up because we got one more thing. But this is so we can start doing tumblers, resin tumblers and stuff like that. So expect to see those going up on the site. I hope to do it like a day at a time. Like one day we'll do all resins. One day we'll do sublimations and all of that stuff. Another day we'll do something else. I am going to put this all back in the box that it came in, along with the instructions. Those can actually go down there. That can go in there. Because I think I stuck, yes I did. I stuck those in there. Okay. Make sure we get everything kind of back in here that needs to go in here. That can fit like that for right now. Okay. That needs to be carried out into the craft room. I do plan on giving you guys a tour of the craft room once I get it set up. Okay, so that is an objective of mine. Right now it's going from a painting room into my craft room. So there will still be some painting, but I've gotten some stuff in there that wasn't in there beforehand. So let's see, what is this? Ooh, oh, this is my sublimation paper. Okie dokie. This is so we can work and do sublimation like Mrs. Coffee does. So we can do sublimation. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. It may look like I'm kind of copying Mrs. Coffee and that stuff. She is an inspiration of mine. Her, Rachel Ray, Ruby Q, they are inspirations of mine. The whole reason I'm doing this along with my support group that I am setting up is because I need an income. I suffer a lot of mental health issues like Mrs. Coffee does. We have bipolar disorder in common. I also suffer from PTSD and a few other things. I also suffer from humongous migraines and vertigo. That is what is primarily keeping me out of the workforce right now. Like earlier today, it was raining and I was having vertigo episodes because of the barometric pressure. The rain has cleared out, the barometric pressure has kind of stabilized, so I'm doing good right now. But if another rain shower comes in or another front comes through and changes the barometric pressure, I can go wonky. And me being a registered nurse, that's not good when you're trying to see patients, especially because I was a home health nurse. So I used to do a lot of driving, and I am medically not cleared to drive. So I don't even have a car anymore, because I saw absolutely positively no point in having a vehicle if I can't drive it. Why make those payments? Because I don't feel safe myself driving a vehicle. So why have a vehicle? So I rely on Uber, friends, and neighbors and family members to get me to and from places. So that has been a godsend. I have one more thing that I want to unbox here from Amazon. I don't know what this is. I don't remember what I ordered. That's all it is to it. Or what's come in and what hasn't come in. What is this? Okay, this is for when I start resin working. I bought small wet dry. I hope it comes with the. There's this. Okay. I don't get it. Okay, there's the bit for it. So I bought this so I can really sand, and these go all the way down to like, oh good, they have the grip on them. From 800 all the way up to like 5,000 grit sandpaper that you can use wet or dry on resin. So I can get it super shiny for you guys, because I've been watching Nick Zametti for years. He does woodworking in resin. I am not going to go the woodworking route. I will go the tumbler route. But he has like a lathe and all that stuff that he gets his super shiny using micro mesh, which micro mesh actually goes up beyond 5,000. And that stuff, I'm gonna see how the 5,000, how shiny and smooth and that it gets it for you guys. So that is my unboxing video for right now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm creating several different smaller videos today, breaking them up so you guys can have more videos to watch, but also you don't have to watch me for 45 minutes. I do plan on doing a whip and chat this week. I have to get back into things from last week. Last week was, like I said, a disaster, but we will get there. So I will see you guys later. Bye. You guys take care now.